What's up, everybody? Welcome to another video. And as you can see by the title, today I will be making a peach cobbler. I hope everybody has been doing well, as I have. I'm a little tired. Look what time it is. It is 10:37 at night, but I want to go and get this out the way because somebody keep asking for peach cobbler. Okay? Stay tuned. Peaches and opened them. I had the 2 big cans. The one that's in heavy syrup. Make sure that's the one you get the sliced peaches in the heavy syrup. And I have the oven set to like 5. I guess it's like medium. Don't put it on high. I struggle with this can opener, that's why I look like this. But I got the 2 I don't know if that's gonna be too much. I got the 2 29-ounce cans, the 1.81 pound. So I got 2 of those. Oh, and I already washed my hands. And oh, just to let you know, if you don't like sweet stuff, this may not be your video because I'm gonna use a lot of sugar. I just want you to know that already. I'm gonna use a lot of sugar. Because it's a dessert and I feel like it's meant to be sweet. I don't want no healthy dessert. So, hold up. Like, I get it if you have allergies or I don't know. But just to have a healthy dessert, I don't want it. You can keep it. So, if you feel that way about sweets, you may as well scroll on past this video and I'll catch you next time. But yeah, this gonna be sweet. And it's gonna have a lot of butter. So proceed at your own risk. So yeah, sweets are made to be sweet. That's why you do it in moderation. It ain't something that you do every day. But if I'm gonna eat some cake, I want some cake with the real icing, the sweet icing that'll make your eyes go cross. Don't have me no whipped ice, like can't do it. But you gonna let this boil. Keep it on until the peaches get to a boil. Actually, I'm gonna turn mine up a little bit. I'm gonna take it up to like 6, and then when it starts to boil, I'll turn it down. So I'll be back with you after the peaches come to a boil. Alright, y'all, you got a little something going, so let me see. It ain't boiling, but you can tell it's hot. So now I'm gonna go back and add my sugar. And look, also these measurements, I don't know how much of what I'm putting in there. I just cook, and then if it looks like it's gonna taste right, I roll with it. But if not, sometimes, hey, you can taste it as you go, however you want to do it. So you put your sugar. Remember I said it's gonna be a lot of sugar. It's gonna be sweet. Ain't nothing wrong with that though. Okay, then I'm gonna get the vanilla extract. I just got the Kroger brand. I don't know how much I'm putting in here, but just pour some in there to your liking, however you see fit. And then some stuff I add as I go, like if I taste it and then it doesn't taste right, so you know what you need a little bit more of, so do it how you want to do it. I'm just showing you how I do it here, okay? Then you're gonna take the I use ground cinnamon, whatever brand you want to use, it don't matter. So there we go. for a little bit, let the peaches get a little bit softer where they're not so firm. And then I'll come back after. Okay, y'all, we got a boil going. So we'll probably get to that point. And the peaches are softer. And I ain't gonna lie, I did add some more sugar. So let me show y'all the next step. I think I'm turning this off, but I have the oven set to 350. So when I put it in the oven, it'll already be ready to go. So I always use the deep dish Pillsbury because I love my I like a lot of crust in my peach cobbler. And then you have some people who put the crust on the bottom too, but I just like a lot on the top. And then you can buy the crust that's already is rolled up, and you kind of stretch it out and then cut it. But I just always have bought this, and I don't like change that much, so I just stick with this. And it has 2 in each package, so sometimes I use 3. I don't know how many I'm gonna use today, but actually I just cut it up and then take the strips out and lay it across the top of the peaches and the mixture that I put in with the peaches. And it'll probably cut off. You can cut it and it'll go on here easier, but either way it's fine. It don't matter, it's butter, solid butter. And the thing with the butter, you want to place it because once you put it in the oven, it starts to melt and it'll spread. And I like for my whole crust to like taste buttery. To me, that's better flavor. To me. And you may not like butter, but I like butter on my peach cobbler. So adjust it to what suits you. Govern yourself accordingly. now I'm going to put this in the oven. I've had the oven preheated to 350, and you can just watch it until it's golden brown or to your liking. Some people may like it darker or a little harder than others, so it's up to you. But just watch it, and then when it turns, I like to take it out when it's golden brown and all the butter is melted and it has went all over the crust. To me, that taste, the butter just makes it so much better. So I don't know, I guess maybe about 30 minutes or so. You leave it, and then it depends on the size of your pie too. So next you'll see how it looks when it's all done. Alright y'all, I'm back, and I do think it's time to take her out of the oven because she's looking and smelling real nice right about now. So here we go.